Thank you for returning to the channel. The ridiculous list of the top 5 new Japanese touring motorcycles for 2024 is what we have for you today. You will be shocked to see how incredible these bikes are. Number 5. Suzuki GSX-S1000GX. The GSX-S1000GX has a bold and stylish appearance that draws inspiration from its sport bike cousins while adding touring-friendly features. It has a contemporary and dynamic look thanks to its crisp lines, aerodynamic bodywork, and unique LED lighting. The bike comes in a variety of colors, including a menacing matte black and an eye-catching metallic Triton blue. The 999cc inline-4 engine that powers the GSX-S1000GX is taken from the venerable GSX-R1000. This engine has a wide power band and smooth delivery because it has been tuned for street and touring use. The GSX-S1000GX boasts a peak power output of about 150 horsepower and a strong mid-range torque that makes it ideal for both long-distance cruising and thrilling riding. The GSX-S1000GX's twin-spar aluminum chassis strikes the ideal mix between lightweight design and rigidity. This design guarantees agility in confined spaces and stability at high speeds. The bike has fully adjustable KYB suspension parts, which include a monoshock in the back and an inverted front fork. Number 4. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. At the top of Yamaha's Sport Tour lineup, the 2024 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus combines cutting-edge technology, comfort, and performance. The Tracer 9 GT Plus is a flexible and thrilling motorcycle that is designed to satisfy the demands of both weekend warriors and long-distance touring fans. The sturdy 890cc CP3 engine, an inline 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled powerhouse with remarkable torque and smooth, linear power delivery, is the power plant of the Tracer 9 GT Plus. With a maximum power output of about 117 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque, this engine guarantees thrilling acceleration and smooth driving. With its lightweight aluminum frame, the Tracer 9 GT Plus ensures accurate handling and stability even at high speeds by striking the ideal balance between rigidity and flexibility. The semi-active suspension system was created in partnership with KYB and provides a smooth and controlled ride by continuously adjusting damping forces in real time to fit road conditions and rider inputs. Number 3. Kawasaki Versys 650. For riders looking for a versatile, dependable, and enjoyable motorbike that performs well in a variety of riding circumstances, the 2024 Kawasaki Versys 650 remains a popular option. The unique style that has made the Versys 650 famous throughout the years is still there in the 2024 model. It keeps a streamlined profile, aggressive front fairing, and sharp lines that give it a modern, sporting look. Its touring skills are enhanced by the twin headlights and adjustable windscreen, which offer superior visibility and wind protection. The 649cc parallel twin engine, which powers the 2024 Versys 650, is renowned for its reliable performance and excellent power delivery. With 68 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque, Its liquid-cooled engine provides a nice mix of power for both city driving and highway cruising. Number 2. Yamaha Tenere 700. The 2024 Tenere 700, a model that Yamaha unveiled, is well known for its outstanding performance and ease of use. Let's examine the numerous features and improvements that make this adventure bike a popular choice among cyclists. Fuel-injected, 689cc liquid-cooled inline twin-cylinder engine from Yamaha's award-winning MT-07 powers the Tenere 700. On or off the road, this small generator provides tractable and controllable power. Its offset cylinder design and cross-plane crankshaft idea support its linear torque development, increased dependability, and better fuel efficiency. A 5-inch color TFT display with 2 distinct screen themes is included with the 2024 model, offering both a traditional analog appearance and a modern dynamic design. In addition to improving readability and aesthetics, the display provides important trip stats, fuel economy, and ABS modes. Number 1. Yamaha MT-07. The 2024 Yamaha MT-07 is a state-of-the-art motorbike that represents the highest level of performance and value among dark side models. It is a new addition to Yamaha's lineup. With its unique next-generation design and plethora of cutting-edge technologies, the MT-07 gives riders the ideal mix of strength and innovation. The strong yet minimalist look of the MT-07's next-generation design, which is enhanced by vivid colors and graphics that highlight its unadulterated hyper-naked spirit, attracts attention. The motorcycle has a sleek and intimidating look that perfectly captures the torque and power signature of Yamaha's Mount series. A small 689cc liquid-cooled, inline twin-cylinder DOHC-CP2 engine with fuel injection powers the MT-07. This entertaining and endearing engine produces powerful high RPM pulling power in addition to outstanding low to mid-range torque. With the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect Y-Connect smartphone connectivity installed on the MT-07, a direct link between the motorcycle and a smartphone may be established using the Y-Connect app. This feature enables riders to track ride data, monitor technical concerns with their motorcycles, receive call, email, and message notifications on the TFT display, and more.